Cosen model C-4038 NC. There's the blade ramping up as we hit it to go programmable. Coming down. Can I lift this cover up? It's showing that fancy. No, I can't. Look at that blade brush. All new. Just about every piece of it. Except for the one adjustable bracket. Drive shaft, bearings, everything. Belts. Hydraulic variable speed chip conveyor. Belt drive. Do we have a cover for that? We gotta put a little cover over that. That's on order, okay. That was one of the back ordered items. Nice, clean, quiet machine. We gotta paint it a little over here. New parts up in the blade guide, bearings, whatnot, other parts. I wouldn't worry too much about pulling it on something up. Just making them out. There's your control. Manual will tell you how to program it. Hydraulic blade tensioning. Already piped for top bundling clamps if you wanted to add those later. There it is, beautiful machine.